Garrett Lund with the LundTeam here at 401 Swamis Lane in Beach Street. Just steps down to the water in the village. This is the premier location, the corner lot. It's the biggest floor plan, and it has been completely customized inside and out. Turnkey. Beautiful kitchen, great room. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms plus a bonus. Beautiful backyard, private, sunny, south-facing backyard. Nice 2-car garage parking. Really has it all. We're excited to have this listing. We want to encourage you to come check it out. It's going to go fast. Call us 760-438-0800 or visit us at LundTeam.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.